So students, next type of question is dealing with the design of NFA when the acceptance string end with something. So suppose end with BA. So this type of questions now we are going to discuss. So let's design the NFA for this one. Sorry, we are dealing with NFA, so we have to design a NFA for this one. NFA means non-deterministic finite automata. So why it is non-deterministic? Because some at some states there is no action for any symbol, or there may be multiple actions for the same symbol. So that's why we call it non-deterministic. So first state is Q0, second is Q1, third is Q2. So three states are there. First input symbol is B, second input symbol is A, and we are able to get at the final state. Now see, after the final state we are not able to move backward as we did in DFA. We can only add a loop here with any combination of A and B. Now you can observe that with the help of input symbol B at the state Q0 we have multiple actions. Either we can remain at the same state or we can move to the next state, that is Q1. With the same input symbol B we have multiple actions. So this indicates the diagram related to NFA. Now no need to complete this diagram. This is complete in context of NFA. So the string that end with BA is going to be accepted. That may be started from any symbol A, B, BA, A, BA, B, 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 A, B, BA. So what is common in these examples? BA is at the tail end part. So the string end with BA, so we have this diagram. Now the same thing you can observe with the help of transition table. That is, we have two symbols A and B and three states. Q0 is the initial state, Q1 and Q2 is the final state. Now at Q0 with input you are able to move at Q0, but at Q0 with input B you are able to move towards Q0 as well as Q1. So two possibilities are there. So this indicates the NFA. This is very important. Now at Q1 with A you are able to move towards Q2 but no action for B, and Q2 there is no action for any symbol. So this is the transition table for this diagram. That's all for this example. Thank you.